Hi, I'm Ramana. As a part of my data mining assignment, I'm going to demonstrate a data model based on the student records, which predicts the success of a student in his final grades based on different metrics such as free time, uh, higher education, nursery education, such kind of metrics. I'm going to present this model in Microsoft Azure ML Studio, and I have taken this data set from UCI Machine Learning repository. Let's get into my laptop screen. This is Microsoft Azure ML Studio page. I have taken this student dataset from my saved datasets. The student dataset consists of grades of student and the final result. You can visualize this data by right clicking dataset and visualize. Here we can see number of columns 34 and the number of rows 395. The different columns: higher education, uses of internet, free time, health, absences, the first year grades, second year grades, and third year grades, and the final result. The final result represents if the final year grade is greater than 12, it gives 1. If it is less than 12, it gives 0. Now let's see what columns I have selected. I have selected a few columns to analyze this data. These are the columns which I have selected to analyze this model. I have split the data into trained dataset and test dataset. The ratio of 80 to 20%. 80% is trained dataset and 20% is test dataset. I have used two-class logistic regression. It is a statistic method which predicts the probability of an outcome. The trained data model, I have trained the data model with the trained test data. I have used a results column to analyze this data, and I have scored the model which predicts the logical regression here using the trained data model. The test data model will be predicted here. After that, we will evaluate this model. We can see, you can visualize this score data model, score data set, and visualize. Here you can see the scored labels and scored probabilities. This percentage represents good probabilities, and now we evaluate this model and run. Once evaluation is finished, you can visualize the evaluate model results. Visualize. Here this represents the lift curve. It's a wave of the opposite of the mean lines. It represents good accuracy, that is 93%, and the true positive is 56 and false negative is 3, false positive is 2, true negative is 18. This is our confusion matrix here. This also represents based on the ascending order of score. The positive values are decreasing to the end and negative values are increasing at the end. Thanks for watching this.